そう、皆さんこんにちは。Good afternoon. 皆さん元気ですか？ How are you? So today we will learn 4 kanji Japanese language. If you hear, oh, something crazy language kanji which is 2,500 is very crazy. But actually, if you learn step by step, it is not difficult at all. Okay.So today we will learn 4 kanji, 4 character, 4 letters. So European languages, you always have a spelling, T-R-E-E, tree. But Japanese, we don't have spelling almost. Sometimes you can make combination, of course we have spelling, but usually simple element, you don't have any spelling. So, simple element. Nature, tree, moon, fire, and water. So, English, you know always F-I-R-E and W-A-T-E-R. This is you need to focus to write down the correct spelling, but Japanese is one picture. Like one picture, it's like fire, it's like a mountain. You will draw the mountain. This is a mountain. So we don't have the spelling. So, which one do you prefer? A lot of spelling, millions of spelling, or thousands of letters? Actually, of course, both are difficult. For me, it was very tough.to memorize this F-I-R-E to W-A-T-E-R because I grew up with a picture. So today I will teach you how to write down this Japanese character which is like a picture. Okay? So let's start from tree. It's like tree. Looks like tree.Tree is like this. That's right, tree. Okay, always like a picture. So, most of Japanese people doesn't have any problem for the spelling because we don't have spelling almost. Okay, so let's start from tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means tree. And pronunciation becomes ki. And if you know already hiragana from my video, hiragana ki is this one. Okay? So if you are beginner Japanese, let's learn this hiragana first. And after that, you can step up to kanji, so it will be more professional. Okay, so this is tree. So it's like it looks moon, like this. It's like moon. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is the moon. Okay, moon. Pronunciation is tsuki. This is, if you know hiragana, it becomes like this. Tsuki or kanji, tsuki. If you don't know what is the differences between hiragana, kanji, try to watch the video.hiragana, kanji, katakana differences. Okay? So, next is fire. Fire. So, it's like fire. Tak, tak, tak. Tak, tak, tak. Tak, tak. I'm not good at picture, but like fire. 1, 2, 3, 4.Okay, the pronunciation is hi. Hiragana, if you know, becomes this one. Hi, fire. So you already learned 3 kanji and the last 4 kanji is water. 1, 2, and 3. It's a little bit difficult to imagine what this is water, but something you can see like a flow. So that's the water. So pronunciation is 水. If you know hiragana, 水. So, how was it? You already learned 4 kanji. So, like this picture, we have 2,500. But if you are a beginner, you will not learn suddenly 2,500. So, A1 course you can start. A1 course, we don't have even any of this kanji. We will start this hiragana type first. This is 46. So 1 month is 30 days. So almost you can learn all hiragana in 1 month. And after that, if you like more Japanese, you can step up this kanji part. Okay. So first, if you're a beginner, let's learn everything hiragana. And let's complete A1 level. And A2 level, we have this kanji. More unique, more interesting, and very different. Okay, so well done. Hello, my name is Terumi. I am a native Japanese teacher in Greece. So we have the program to learn Japanese and learn how to teach Japanese. So if you never ever learn Japanese, you can start from A1 level. And if you like more Japanese, you can step up A2 and A3. And you can go to the instructor course to have a more opportunity in your future. So let's start from A1 level, and if you like, you have a more opportunity in your future. So let's start.
Like the wind running free, we were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where.